I have a package here containing the Change of Monarch 2024 year set containing the King Charles III $2 Australian coin. Let's open it up and take a look at it. You're watching JKayCoins. Let's unbox this. Happy coin collecting, everyone. I bought this coin set from the Royal Australian Mint website. I took part in the ballot and was lucky enough to win it. It has come in this nice secure box, so that gives me peace of mind that the contents are safe. Now let's open it up. Alright then, here's the Change of Monarch 2024 6 coin uncirculated year set. So this looks like a clean and elegant design on the outer carton, and there's a lot of information here as well. So let's just open it further up. But look at that, that's the 6 coin capsule containing coins from all denominations in an uncirculated finish. And this has a limited mintage of only 100,000, so that's pretty great as well. And here's a first look at the King Charles III $2 Australian coin. That's pretty special. And if you look at all the other coins, you will see unique effigies on all the different coins here. So this is the 5-cent coin, and its effigy was designed by Mary Gillick. And we have a 10-cent coin here. This was designed by Arnold Machin. So 20-cent coin by Raphael Macloff. We have a 50-cent coin here by Ian Rank Broadley. Of course, you will see the IRB right here. And then we have the $1 coin here. That is, of course, being designed by Jody Clark. So you see the JC over there. And then the new $2 coin with the new effigy of the king by Daniel Thorne. And this new effigy, if you see, is facing to the left. That's the opposite direction to the effigies of the queen, which are all facing to the right here. This is a pretty special year set because it not only has the $2 coin with the new effigy of the king, but also all the different effigies of the queen over the years, all in one place. And I'm definitely happy that I could get my hands on one to add to my collection. If you'd want to see how I find other collectible Australian coins, then go ahead and watch my coin noodling video here, and I'll see you over there.